How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today I'm just going to make you a little video regarding a British pound Japanese setup that happened this week, and also just looking at what's going to happen further in this pair. Before we hit the charts, just go visit my website on the bottom left hand side corner. My preferred brokers are in there on the brokers tab. Just go visit them, go look at what they can offer. Brilliant brokers. There's also some resources on the resource tab, COT reports, all these kind of things that I'm using, some nice candlestick pattern cheat sheets that you can download, and also, lots more on my website, especially for those of you that's starting out on trading. Go visit it. There's some nice video categories that you can watch just to get you into the whole trading experience. Okay, so let us hit the chart. So what happened this week on the British pound Japanese yen? I'm just going to concentrate on the hourly time frame for now. We can see that, price moved to the upside. Okay, we can see that structure was broken. And how do you catch that, or how could you have caught that move to the upside? So basically, with all my analysis, it's just, reacting to what the market gives you. And we can see that, there has been a couple of structures that has been broken, and a big one for me was this one over here. So we can see that liquidity was taken out on that key area, and after that you can see price taking out the next one, which is the top one over here, and then just started to rally to the upside. Now I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit on this one, and I'm going to show you. So with this break in structure, you can see this area was tapped a couple of times. It acted as a resistance, tapped it once, and then we had that big push with this candle over here. We saw that big push going, price retracing back to that, moving to the upside, retracing once more, and then making a nice move, going up. So where could you have caught the trade? Well, you could have taken your Fibonacci from this little low over here to that high over there. Okay, so that could have been one entry that you could have taken. Price going up. So what I'm meaning by low is you can see price rolling up and down, forming that low, and then pushing to the upside, and then coming back, retracing back to the 62%. I always talk about the 62 to 79% retracement area on the Fibonacci, and that is a very key area for market to always come and retrace. And as you can see, price just tapping into that area and then running to the upside. So that could have been your first entry or point of entry, and the second point of entry is obviously going to be we're looking at any fair value gap. So I'm just going to highlight that area in the market. I just want to make sure that's perfect. So I want to highlight this candle over here. That's the push candle, or the candle that pushed through market. So I want to straight away drill down to your 5-minute time frame. Just move it across to basically, where this happened. And we can see that this is the area that market broke that structure. So this was the line, the structure area. You can see price pushing up, hitting that area, going above it, taking out some liquidity that was up there. So that made that liquidity run. Then price going down again, and then ever so slightly moving up 5 minutes, just creeping up to that area. And here we can see, smart money pushing that, and price pushing through that, breaking above it, and then coming back, retracing this area. So this is where we look for entries. So what happens is, just going to zoom in a little bit more. So with this big push through, breaking that structure, price creates a fair value gap. Now where is that fair value gap? It's between that candle's wick and the next candle's wick. Okay, the gap between the two that was formed, that area is called the fair value gap. And look at that. So price rallying up, coming down into that area, going up again, and pushing even deeper in, and that is exactly where you take your entry. And for me, any entries in there, and again, risk in place. You keep your risk right there, and then price started rallying up to the upside. So that is a nice little entry. So just zooming it out a little bit, you could have caught that all the way to the top for a nice 60 pip run. Now, what is happening next? Now let's go back to the hourly time frame. Okay, let's just have a look. And we pull our Fibonacci once again. So we have our low to our high, and then we zoom out a little bit just to get a clearer view. So we can see that if you use the Fibonacci method, price going, retracing back, now price hitting that first target, okay, right over here. Price going back or going up even more, just gonna do that. So price going up even more, rating or trying to reach that second area in the market. If I just zoom out, just wanted to show you, this was price action, hunting liquidity. So liquidity being taken out and then carrying on to the upside, and zooming out even more, we can see there's a key area, another one that was taken out. So this is now where you start looking at where price action is heading. And if I look at my last area of profit, which is right over there, okay, that's a nice key area for the next one, because we're looking at price hunting the liquidity. So I'm expecting price to at least reach up to there. Okay, so for those of you that is in this trade, hold it and let's see what happens. I'm just zooming in a bit more, but again, have your risk in place. Okay, just you can now start trailing that stop losses just in case price starts declining again or running down to the bottom. I mean, this is the first day of the month, so let's see what this first day holds on the monthly candle as well, and just, you know, always keep an eye out. But I mean, what a beautiful setup that happened towards the end of the month on this pair. So guys, that's all from my side. Always remember, you know, stick to your analysis, always be patient in your trading. You know, don't just rush into trades. Look at what the market is doing. Whatever you analyze on your higher time frames, use the same analysis or the same way of analyzing your charts just on the lower time frames, and as you can see, everything plays out perfectly. So guys, hope you are having a wonderful week, and please stay safe, and guys, happy trading.